Hi guys, with another video. Today I'm gonna take apart all this hair trimmer and let's take it out of this. Let's see how they made it. Here one is this is the eye. The other one this I don't know what they call, but then let's take it with screw. Alright, take it out. Alright, okay, this part comes. Alright, okay, this part comes. One more screw. It's done. La la. Let's go. Here you are. Oh, this is and what else? This is the switch that opens and closes, and let's take this part too. A screw. There you are, and nothing comes out. Oh, one more screw here. Okay. Okay, it came. This is the one. And then switch, then this guy. There's nothing coming. This doesn't come. Okay. As you see, switch, cable, this guy, and this is the one. Nothing else. Let me take this to screw too. Here, one. Okay, this doesn't. Alright, that's coming. It's coming. Alright, let's go. Nothing else. Alright, I think it's hard to take it out. Here you are. Well, that's it. As you see, this is the cover. This was the inside. And there's two pieces. What is the other piece here? This is alright. This is it. Thank you for watching and see you soon with another video.